The Frontiers program here has prepared me primarily for two things. The first was mentally preparing myself for leaving home. The second thing that I learned is learning how the curriculum kind of works at colleges and how lectures and more hands-on and more sophisticated learnings that we have here. It's been such a great experience to meet so many new people with similar interests in sciences at WPI's Frontier program. The classes I've taken included biomedical engineering and music. I felt that I've been pushed forward in my ability to learn at such a different pace and different information. A personal highlight for me has been the hands-on experiences that we've received here. The most fun part of this experience has been the people. I've always found that the people are always what makes any experience better. The people I've met here are some of the best people I'll probably ever meet in my life, and hopefully some people I get to meet down the road one day. Dreams are something that we always should hold on to, and WPI has definitely helped me realize what I want to do one day and possibly what I never thought I could do.